So maybe we're in need of some ideas of areas that we should focus our attention to in regards to our Amazon business. So we can come to the question with, and nicer, we'll go to the liberty to analyze nearly every aspect of your Amazon business, even go through each of your different SKUs to put together a full report giving you a holistic view of everything that's going on with your business, as well as some ideas of what to focus on. So again, just orienting yourself with revenue, given that is why we are on Amazon selling, gives you just some trends over time as well as a comparison to the previous year. And here's where you can see across all of your metrics, really all areas of your business, how have things been trending. So here you can compare all of your different metrics and really their level of significance in terms of their trends. So for instance, we can see that PPC impressions has shown the strongest upward trend over the last 30 days, while our return on ad spend has shown the most significant decline over the last 30 days. So this right here can just give you some quick ways to view the parts of your business that may need attention. But obviously there's a lot here. There's a lot of metrics. Nicer then breaks these down really into the funnel, the conversion funnel of what you'd think as someone coming to your product pages. So it starts with how are we doing in driving people to our products. So we take a look at how are our sessions trending, how are our natural sessions trending, which are basically the people who come to your products that haven't touched an ad, as well as then how are we doing in driving advertising impressions and our click-through rate. And then Nicer goes to the trouble of taking all this information in and then providing you with specific recommendations. So here we can see that impressions are seemingly less efficient as we drive this increase because our click-through rate at the same time has been driving down. So it might be a good time to think about optimizing these impressions to drive the most clicks. For each of these sections, you can also see a SKU level breakdown. So here we wanted to really focus on click-through rate, knowing that that was trending down. So now here you can see for each of your SKUs, how does our click-through rate stack up in terms of the overall values and how each SKU has been trending over time, which can just give us an easier way to get down to those most granular level insights to really find the things that we should focus on. Aside from just getting to the product, the next step is actually getting people to convert. So now we take a look at our conversion rate, our natural conversion rate, as well as the return on ad spends and how many people that we're driving to our products using advertising. And again, taking in each of these trends for these key metrics, Nicer then is able to give you, again, some simple, easy to understand and digest suggestions as to some things that we may need to focus on in terms of optimizing our business. And again, same thing with the SKU level insights, so we can see maybe for return on ad spend, what products are driving more return for our ad dollars and what ones are struggling to, again, narrow our focus. And lastly, just making sure that our advertising, the ACOS, is within our target and that we're not spending out of our pockets during this time frame. So again, a number of different ways in which Nicer presents you with ideas and potentially things to focus on that then you can use to plan your day and plan your strategy.